ChatGPT-5 is here, full breakdown versus GPT-4. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to start using ChatGPT-5 right away. All you need to do is go to chat.com, sign in with your account, and automatically you'll be running on GPT-5, the newest and most powerful model from OpenAI. To double check, you can simply ask the AI, who are you and which model are you using? And it will confirm that it's GPT-5. Super simple, right? Now let's explore the amazing new features that make GPT-5 so much better than GPT-4. So we can ask it which are the new features in GPT-5, and as shown here's the GPT-5's features. It introduces smart model routing, a massive 256K context window, and full multimodality, text, images, audio, video, with advanced reasoning, fewer hallucinations, and customizable personalities. It also offers multiple variants: Mini, Nano, Pro, seamless ecosystem integration, stronger coding abilities, and even medical-level expertise that outperforms doctors in diagnostic reasoning. And finally, we've a clear comparison table of GPT-5 versus GPT-4 based on the latest trusted sources. In short, GPT-5 is the most advanced version of ChatGPT yet, giving you smarter answers, bigger context, and powerful new tools in one place. You can try it. Thank you for watching.